Hi guys, well in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Qt and WebAssembly for Windows but not Linux. Well, in the previous video I already show you how to install WebAssembly on Windows. So actually Qt is a Qt programming language, is a software development tool that could be very powerful tool to develop web as well. In order to develop web as well, you need to install Qt with web. So you for web engine, not WebAssembly. So Qt WebAssembly. You are again going to the same website. No, well here you're gonna see 6.2 and 5.15, 6.4. Well, in this course, well, in this video, I'm gonna show you 6.4, but in previous video I showed you 6.2. So 6.4 is nothing but coming with let's say with its pre-built packages. But before going to WebAssembly, you need to install Qt. So as I already showed you in the previous video for Linux, to install Qt open source, you are going to install it for Windows but not Linux anymore. So you are writing Qt open source, Qt installer, and you are choosing here Windows, alright? So it's nothing but very easy. So after that you will have a I already did it, so I have this here. I'm gonna show you Qt. Here it is, Windows x64 4.6. It's the latest version now. So after that you need to actually install it, no, with a double click on it, and you need to add your login password. So no, actually I will enter here. Well, here I will enter, then we will do like this. No, over that I want to show you, it's gonna take some bit of more time. uh, you know okay, it's gonna pause here, disable custom installation. I already have. So next I want to show you, so directly you select already exists, which means I already installed. So for that reason I'm not going to do install, but you're gonna see some latest versions, which is nothing but 6.4, 6.2, 6.3. Please install 6.4. All right, after installation you have to wait like around 30 minutes to be uh, to wait to be installed. Well, let's close it. Let's come back to, let's say, WebAssembly here, WebAssembly Qt. So you have to check here WebAssembly 6.4. After that, you see 6.4 in the drop-down list. You're gonna see here how to install which version. Well, 6.4 is not, may require 3.1.14. Well, it's nothing but a good practice to see it. So you're gonna do this step and do this step, nothing more. Don't do this step because after the activation it's going to add it to the path. So you don't need to actually go to control panel, actually no, control panel, I'm sorry, environment variables. You don't need to edit path, okay, because already activating this MSDK is going to provide you everything. So after that you just need to open your Qt program. So let's choose one project. All right, let's wait, it's going to open. Okay, create project, Qt widget. I'm creating Qt widget. All right, let's put test 3. All right, no, test 2, and in the directory you're gonna use, I'm gonna use this. Okay, Qt web I created. Go forward, cmake installer QWidget. Well, nothing here. Select all kits. For any case you have to test. Perfect. But well, actually here there is some error. I have no idea why. File is not. Let's see. See my compiler. Well, could be editing preferences. Actually, here it's a CMake. Let's go back CMake here and see why it's showing this. Enable auto save. Apply. Actually, I already installed CMake. I don't know why. Ah, yeah, here. I'm sorry. If this is the problem, let's do this. Change it. Let's check which one is going to work. Yeah, MSV 2019 is not going to work. I don't know what it is. I don't care about it. So let's go to build it as a widget. Okay, and run. It's a good practice to see if it is working. Alright. So after that, go to edit and preferences. Come to here, devices, WebAssembly. Well, here I already implemented, so you have to go here, browser, where you have installed MSDK. Okay, MSDK is you have to git clone. I forgot to tell you. In order to install MSDK encryption, actually you have to go to the install encryption. Okay, encryption this. You have to open it. You have to install. Get started. Download. Install. So you need to git clone cd msdk git pull, and after that you don't follow this, but don't follow this part, qt WebAssembly, to be more specific. All right, so after that you're gonna choose select folder, and it's going to find your version, and devices is going down, kit, come back to kit. You're gonna see that WebAssembly is set. Amazing, it's done. Don't care about this, it's not going to be more important, so it's nothing, but you need to okay. Well, after knowing this, that it's already done, let's go to here, debug session, WebAssembly 6.4.3. Let's see what's going to provide us. No, uh, it takes a bit more time. Depends on your computer. My computer is a Victus AKP, so it's a bit more faster. Well, it's a debugging. Give him, it's build. Let's build it after debug. Okay, run it. Well, here it is, your page. Well, one more thing here. Yes, be sure that you are using WebAssembly 6.4.3, not 6.5.1, because every Qt version is coming with specific WebAssembly version. Alright, so here, as you can see here, we have WebAssembly runtime is set it. Well, perfect. CMake is 3.24, 3.24, 2.2. Amazing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.